Hello, this is Chris Menard. Microsoft Excel desktop version has agent mode. If you don't have this, you will have it soon. It is incredible. I've already made one video using agent mode and it created a fabulous dashboard from my data automatically, and everything in the dashboard was correct. Let's take a look at another example of when to use agent mode. In this Excel file, if my cities, they have a mixture of all caps, all lowercase. Some are both, as you see in cell D3. I have cities that are actually misspelled also in this city column. Look at cell D13. San Diego is misspelled. Over in column F, I have extra spaces in between some of my words. Google Ads has a lot of extra spaces. I even have a lot of extra spaces after certain sources. I want to use agent mode to clean the data, and I also want it to clean the invoice dates. I've got a variety of dates, 3 different formats sitting in here: an invoice date, and also for my numbers, purchases to date. Here we go. I'm going to write a prompt. Let's pull up agent mode first. Click on Copilot in the ribbon. When Copilot appears, I'm going to come to Tools, click, and then select agent mode. In my prompt, I've said on the worksheet called Customers, I have inconsistent data. I went on to talk about the different cities, and I said I want them all to be proper case. I also have fixed the misspelled words. I told it for the numbers, which is column H, to use a counting format and put in 0 decimal places. So let's see if it comes up with this. And finally, I told it I got a lot of extra spaces also throughout my data. Click Send. Agent mode is done. Let's take a quick look at what it's accomplished. Over here, you can widen this task pane. This is a task pane over here to the far right. So there was my prompt. There's the reasoning that took place. You can actually expand it to see exactly what agent mode did. It went through these 5 items right here. Then it ran through some additional steps. It gives me a great table showing my text corrections, proper case, and spelling. The original's in the left column. The corrected is in the right column. You can see my San Diego, which was misspelled, came out San Diego correctly. Same thing with Marietta being misspelled. The city of Marietta is now correct. The extra spacing was fixed in both Google Ads and LinkedIn. That is correct also. The number formatting, it went and made it accounting with 0 decimal places, which was purchases to date. That is correct. And then all the proper case was applied to, and it went through every column and did this. All 35 records have been cleaned and standardized. This is perfect. Close this out. I'm going to put 2 images on the screen. One is what you're seeing right now, how this looks. The other image I'll pull in, and you'll see how this looked before, just to get a quick preview of this. Agent mode is fantastic. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.